Yeah.
Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in our opening clip, we had a huge mouse leap off of this wall, hit the floor. We had everything secured, we thought. We didn't think it could go anywhere, but I totally forgot about this little toilet room. If you can see, the drywall's been removed at the bottom. That's from the previous little flood they had. That was all removed. We just haven't fixed that yet because we knew we were going to be in here, and we'll fix it then. He ran into this open wall right here to the left of the toilet, and he's gone. So we took this cabinet down and we taped this trash bag to that opening on all four sides. Our hope is that we can cut a hole up here and force him down, and he'll run into that trash bag, and we got him. And we want to catch him. I mean, the owner really wants us to catch him, like I said, but we don't want to be in here working and possibly get bit. So our goal is to catch him.
So what's the job description today?
Mouse hunter. You can add that to our description. So I don't have any idea how high he is. In that other wall, he had run all the way to the top.
And we don't even know if there's access to the attic in that bay or not, because we know there's a pipe in there.
There is a 3-inch vent pipe for this toilet. We could see it from down there. But he's a big guy. He's going to need a pretty big space to squeeze through.
That's true.
So my game plan is to cut a hole right here. And either from the vibration, or if he's scared enough, he'll try to go down and out into that trash bag. If he doesn't, maybe we can stick our phone in that hole and see where he is and force him out.
All right.
Let's do it. Is he up there?
I don't know.
He's not in there.
No, he is.
You see it?
Yep. He's running around on the bottom.
On the bottom?
Yeah.
You think we'd see him in the bag?
I can see him right there.
Oh yeah.
Well, he knows not to go in the bag. He's smart.
All right, we gotta force him in the bag.
Yeah, we do have to force him in the bag. Can I drop something down there? What do mice not like? Water? Pour some water down there?
We got the garden sprayer right here with that stuff on it.
The lavender?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I don't know, dude. I think we're just giving him a nice little shower.
A little lavender bath.
Yeah. I don't even get those.
He's smart.
He is smart. I think we just need to stick a rigid something down there, like a pipe or something.
Since we know he didn't crawl up the wall, let's just cut another hole here. I mean, we're in it this much already, right?
Right.
Instead of working off this.
And it'd honestly be real easy to just put a new piece of drywall up.
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna make another cut lower.
Yep.
It'll be a lot easier to work from right
Yeah,
there.
then we'll get this ladder out of here and all that.
Absolutely.
All right.
Yep. Okay.
Just go in the bag, buddy.
Oh, he's in.
What?
He's in the bag.
You sure?
I'm positive. I just saw him run in. If you get the gloves on and you just rip the bag off and get it from the top, I think you got him. I don't know how deep. Wait. Let me see. Ah!
What?
Dude!
I thought you were kidding me. He's trying to come up?
Yeah. What the heck? I don't know if he went back in the bag or what. That scared the crap out of me. You want to use your foot to
No.
see if he's in the bag? I don't see him in here.
Yep, he's in there.
He is? All right. Oh yeah, he is. Oh man.
All right, we got him.
Oh my gosh.
Well, pull the shovel.
Yeah. I got it.
can almost smell him.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Well, definitely now because
Right.
he smells like lavender now.
Yeah. Bucket. Woo! Nice.
I'm upset that I screamed like that on camera, and I gotta keep it in too. Dang it. Okay.
Did you see teeth coming at you?
I don't know. I saw my life flash before.
Alrighty guys, that was pretty exciting, but our plan worked. So that was awesome. And now we can add, pest control to our job description?
Mouse hunter.
Mouse hunter. All right, so we made a mess. So we're gonna clean this up because our next step is to remove this plate glass mirror behind Jordan. The owners wanna keep it. So we're gonna clean up and we're gonna show you how we remove a plate glass mirror. Let's get it done. Alrighty gang, a little quick tip. We need a couple of wedges to get that mirror down. So I just got my circular saw, scrap piece of 2x4, and I'm just gonna do this by eye. Now I'm gonna start here. Let me just cut one, and then we'll show you on the other one what I'm talking about. I see a lot of people do that and they try to start like this on the edge of the board, but the guard gets pinched. Like if I did that, the guard gets pinched. So just start on the end of the board and you'll be golden. Let me cut one more. All right, let's go inside. We're ready to take this mirror down. It is glued to the wall. So the plan is to get these wedges we cut, put them behind there and help to break the bond. But check this out. If you can see that, this thing's already moving. Let me get up here, Jordan. Let me get these started.
Oh yeah, it's coming.
And see, as I pull, that one falls. And like this one just went all the way down. Now we're off.
All right.
Wow, that was so easy. It's about time we got a break.
All right, I'm gonna put some gloves on. I'll help you get this thing down.
All right.
All right.
Nice job. I'm so glad that was easy. I was sweating that one. The last house we did, we had to hire a glass company to get it out of there. It was so heavy and big. So our next step is to remove all this wallpaper. Now in issue 291 of Fine Home Building, they have an article on how to do this, and we brought all those materials. So we don't use the little tool that puts all the puncture marks in it. Use 40 grit sandpaper. In the article they said 36, but I was able to find 40. And you actually sand this and scratch it. And then you put hot water on it. I was just going to use the hot water from the shower in a bucket. And you can spray it, but they recommended just use a paint roller in that hot water and roll the water on there so you're not getting water everywhere. I thought that was a great idea. But look at this. Who needs a sprayer or hot water? So we are going to just try to pull all this off. And if we get to some sticky parts, we'll use that trick.
Sure. The fact that we don't have an exhaust fan in this bathroom is allowing us to completely take this wallpaper down in like a fraction of the time.
Yeah, I think the high humidity levels in here just softened it.
Oh, 100%. Yeah. Look. Oh, that's so awesome.
And it's everywhere. We tried it in all the rooms, or all the walls.
I was really not looking forward to orbital sanding an entire bathroom.
I know you were. I mean, that's some kind of paint. I don't know if it's sizing. Wallpaper sizing is a product you put on there like paint, and then once they put the wallpaper up, the sheet can move around so the wallpaper hangers can get their seams right and everything. Who knows what that is? It doesn't feel like paint, but it's releasing.
Cool.
All right, let's rip it down, bud.
All right.
Look at that. Covered up a junction box. Come here, Jordan. Look at this. This was behind the mirror.
What?
Yeah, big no-no.
Isn't that like a fire hazard?
Yeah. So they told me they had trouble finding the right mirror. So he's way up here. So it was just easier to cover the whole wall with a mirror.
Sure.
And I think they told me that The light switch for this shower is actually in the bedroom. That was probably the light switch for the shower.
Oh, but they had to cover it up.
They had to cover it up with the mirror, and so they moved it in the bedroom because this door opens here and blocks this light switch. So,
Right.
all right, let's keep going. Alrighty guys, we got 95% of the wallpaper down, super easy. You saw how easy it came down. And if you come look over here on this wall, this is what we're after. It's nice and clean. We use hot water to get all the glue off. But we had a few areas, like right up here, where the wallpaper will not come up. And we realized it's at the seams or at the top edge. And we think what happened, well, what we thought happened was the wallpaper was peeling, right? And then they called somebody back years later to reattach it with a stronger glue, and that's exactly what happened. So we picked up this stuff to see if it would work on that glue, and it does. It takes a couple of applications, but let me show you up here what I did and how it works. So it's probably been sitting half an hour, and I just used my taping knife. Let's see if I can get under it. Yeah, nice. See that? It is taking off some of the paint, but that's okay. We're gonna fix all that. Let's see how that comes up. There we go.
Nice.
Yep. You just gotta let it sit. Be patient. There's some of the paper right there. All right, I think that's it. And then what I do, damp sponge and hot water and get all the glue off. All right, that looks great. That's the process we're going to use to get off these last few pieces of stubborn wallpaper. We're glad we found this product and that we have it in our arsenal. We weren't able to do the wallpaper today because we got a little sidetracked with pest control. The owners called out a rodent specialist, and that guy was amazing. He spent 25 years doing this. So he said, absolutely, pests were coming through this pipe, and he found other areas in the house where they were entering the house on the roof. So yesterday, we ordered this bronze wool from McMaster Carr. This is coarse bronze wool. So we use bronze because it won't ever rust. That's why the Navy spends billions of dollars of it on their ships, right?
Yeah.
So I put some in this pipe just to show you. We're gonna properly patch this pipe. Let's see, I packed some in there. And once the whiskers of a rat or a mouse hit that and their nose hits it, they're gonna go somewhere else. They're not gonna try to eat through this or get their way through that. So bronze wool is a great product to use to keep rodents out of your house. We use steel wool to keep bees out of the house on our bee video, right? Just because I didn't have any of this. But this is much better than steel because it won't rust. It'll last a long time. So finally, we want to talk about the shower real quick. That's where this whole project started, right?
Right.
So in our next video, we're going to be showing you how we replace all this rotten lumber in here and get this thing framed solid so we can start rebuilding this shower. So we really have three different situations here. We have this non-load bearing wall, and it's got plumbing and electrical in it. And then we have this non-load bearing interior wall with drywall on the other side that we can't damage. And then we have load bearing exterior walls with OSB on the outside that we also can't damage. And there's a brick veneer on the back of that, so we can't access that from the other side. So all this has to be done from this side. This sill plate is shot, and that corner stud is gone. I still haven't figured out how exactly I'm going to do it or how much we're going to do, but stay tuned and we're going to show you that in the next video. So if you're in the trades and you have some tips and tricks on how to do this, drop it in the comment below and maybe you'll see your tip in the next video, right?
Right.
That's right. So if you're enjoying the series, be sure and give us a like the video. We really appreciate that. Drop us a comment like we said. We're trying to answer them as quickly as we can. We're loving all the support you're showing us right now. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yes, sir.